I gotta gather all the stories. You're yelling like a child. Stop!
What starts as a family dispute quickly escalates, putting a baby at risk.
Sit down. Sit down.
Mom, this our mom.
Sit down.
This is our
Okay,
mom.
sit down. Sit down. On your butt. I'm gonna talk. Back up. Back up. Back up. Sit down over there now. Sit down.
I ain't even do nothing.
I gotta gather all the stories. You're yelling like a child. Stop!
I'm mad.
You go over there. Go over there.
She lied.
November 47, you're 97.
Both of these my daughters, they always
She a
fight.
liar. She a liar.
Go speak to that officer now.
You okay? You okay? Are you in the car right here? Huh? You called? Okay. Is this your son?
That's her son.
This is her son. Okay. This is your nephew.
Yes, I'm calling because she hit me with a bottle. As y'all can see, I was bleeding.
Okay.
My mom trying to say we was fighting each other, which we was, but she the one got aggressive. She hit me in my head. I have a whole knot right here in my head.
Okay. Do you mind if I touch it?
Yes,
Okay.
right here. She was hitting me in the head with a hypnotic bottle. She just threw it in my mom's backseat of her car.
Why did she hit you?
She got mad because I said something to my mom about somebody else's job.
Okay.
And she wasn't supposed to be around me. She's supposed to have been arrested from a last previous incident that happened at my auntie's house.
Okay.
And then she reached over, in the middle of reaching over, she hit my baby. That's what made me
By accident or purposely?
Accident.
Okay. By accident.
But she didn't
Is this
what?
mom? This your mom?
She didn't
Hi,
what? I'm the mom.
Okay.
Only thing I seen was they had a little disturbance.
Okay.
They don't like each other.
Okay.
So I'm the mom and I'm in the middle of it.
Okay.
Both of them always go
She
through
need to go
it.
to
They
jail.
go on all the time.
How did they end up here at the same time?
They in the car with me. I'm the
Okay,
mom.
they're both in the car with
Yeah.
you. Okay.
So I went to the liquor store for my aunt. It's gonna go back to my aunt's house.
Okay.
They always do this. They always get this.
I'm tired of her doing this though.
Okay, but
That's the only
I don't
reason
even
why
know
I
what this
stayed.
is.
That's
So
the only
listen,
reason why I
listen.
stayed.
Take a breath and then start from
She
the beginning
just
for
jumped
me.
on me at my auntie house January 1st. I almost went to jail because of this girl right here.
Who is that to you?
That's my sister.
Okay.
That bitch always acting like that. Oh, that's bro.
Listen.
I swear to God, bro.
What happened tonight?
Say to me
What
this
happened
shit.
tonight?
Don't even bring this around me no more.
What happened tonight?
Just get her side. I don't have a side.
You don't have a side.
Bro, I don't have a side.
So now
This bitch mad.
I'm gonna have to go solely what she says.
Man, that's what they did last time, January 1st. I just almost had a
Where?
warrant because of her. They
Yeah,
only
right?
took her side.
But I'm asking your side. So what happened?
She mad. She mad. We arguing over somebody. Like you're mad about somebody else's business. Why are you worried about somebody else? If they want to put on Facebook their manager, let them be a manager. It's not your business. Why you hating?
Yeah.
The only reason why you blowing that up is because me and the girl work together. She's lying, say I hit her baby. On my life, on Jesus Christ, I ain't hit that baby. She a big ass liar, man. I'm hot, my leg hurt, on my hip, I fell on skate stuff like 2 months ago. My hip steady going out, and now you think I got time to be arguing and fighting?
Come over here.
I ain't even let her slide the first time. She supposed to be had a warrant out for me.
Arguing in the car. I don't know who did what.
Who was sitting where? Who was in the front? Who
She
was
was
in the
in the
back?
back seat. The little one, she was in the back seat.
The smaller one was in the back seat.
Yeah.
She was in the front seat.
Yes.
Okay.
She got out the car to get her baby and to get her stuff.
Okay.
I don't know how they started fighting. I don't know how they started fighting.
Okay. And where's the bottle?
In the back seat of the car. That's what hit me in my head. You can feel my knot.
Is it broken? Is the bottle broken? Does it have liquid in it?
Yes.
Okay.
The bottle not broken. They always go through this.
Okay.
And she the baby girl. She always
The
call
smaller one or the one in the blue?
the bigger one.
Okay.
She the baby.
She's the baby.
She always called the police on the other one.
Okay, so
But
this
she
not the
tried-
first time?
No, this is not the first time. It's like the 100th time.
I'm not even gonna go there.
It's like the hundreds of times. They always go through this.
Okay. Okay.
So I don't want now one of them to go to jail, but I don't know.
Yeah. Does the older one have any injuries? Was she hit with anything?
They was fighting each other.
They were
if
both
one go to
fighting
jail,
each
both need to go to jail.
Yeah, that's probably what's going on.
So I don't
Are
know
you
how
okay
y'all
with
gonna do it.
taking custody of the kids until we
If I
figure
have
out
to.
if you have to? Okay.
If I have to.
Okay.
She just trying to spare her so that she won't go to jail. She don't want to press charges on my sister, but I'm pressing charges on my sister.
Please, officer.
You said she accidentally hit your kid?
She reached across, trying to hit me, and she hit my baby.
Okay, and this
That's what
happened...
made me actually engage on to fighting her back because she hit my daughter.
So this happened in the car?
In the car. She got the glass bottle. As you can see right here, I have a big knot on my head. If you feel it. If you feel it, I have a big knot on my head. Yes, touch it. She hit me in the head with a bottle numerous of times. She cut me. That's where I was bleeding at right here. She's very dangerous. She aggressive. When she get mad, she already stabbed me before. I have a report on her already about that.
I got you.
She's supposed to be from around me already. She's supposed to have a warrant out right now as it is because she was fighting me New Year's Eve.
Okay, and when you were in the car, where did she actually like hit you?
On my head.
Well, like where you were at?
We was like literally my baby was in the car seat right here. I was taking my baby out the car because I was
So it was like in the parking lot right here?
Right here,
okay.
Right in front of Dr. G's, right there. My mom moved her car up right here.
Okay.
As you can see the side of my mouth and all of that.
Yeah.
She is like, she's very aggressive. The bitch get very angry and mad and I'm pressing charges on her.
So, I'll be honest, because this situation happened in front of the baby, because I know she said that the baby was accidentally hit in the process of them, fighting with each other, we do have to contact DCF. So DCF will be involved to some capacity.
DCF came out to my house.
Okay. Does she live with you?
No, DCF gonna come to my house, see how nice my house is, and DCF gonna close this case.
Okay.
So it'd be a waste of time contacting them.
I know, but we have to. Law enforcement has to.
All right, that's fine.
All right. I'm Officer Galasso.
Yes.
What's your name?
Alicia.
Alicia.
Yes.
Can you please tell me your side of the story?
To be honest, sir, only thing I got to say is I know it hit that baby. Other than that, it happened.
Hold on. From start to finish.
I'm sorry.
Walk me through what happened.
January 1st, me and my sister.
Walk me through what happened today.
I'm gonna tell you the whole thing. While we were sitting in the car not talking to each other. What transpired to this. December 31st, we was at my auntie house. She called the police over there. And I left because I didn't know if I had a warrant or not. And she told the police that I jumped on her. And they put a warrant out for me for real. I didn't even have a warrant. Then, on top of that, we haven't been speaking to each other since then. I had to get a ride from my mom to go pick my son up, so I had to be in the car with her.
Okay.
She was already in the car. So now we running around, not talking to each other, not saying nothing to each other. Don't say nothing to me, I ain't saying nothing to you. Why are you worrying about if this girl a manager or not at my job? That don't have nothing to do with you. If she want to tell Facebook she a manager, let her tell Facebook she a manager.
Okay.
It has nothing to do with you. That's what we're arguing about right now. Somebody else's business.
I get it. Can you tell me, like, did you hit her with the bottle?
Of course not. No. On my little boy in there, I ain't touch her with that bottle. It's a camera right there, Dr. Brown Emergency, whatever that is.
So where she has injuries, where do the injuries come from?
What you mean? I got injuries. I busted up. I ain't hit her with no bottle.
She has, like, she's bleeding on her face.
She could have scratched her own self.
She has a bump on her head.
I don't know. This is what she do. She do this sometimes. This is what goes on. That's our mom. We sisters.
All right. Just come here.
Come on, man. You gonna take me to jail? I didn't even do nothing. I'm pressing charges on her too then. We both gotta go to jail. Because I'm not going to jail for no fighting her, man. Come on. Why you doing this to me?
Don't catch another charge.
I told you I wouldn't leave. Come on, man. You gotta take her to jail too.
That's what I said. Both of y'all should go.
Come on, man. You always let her do this to me, man. Dang. I ain't even do nothing, man. I'm mad. I'm not gonna stop.
understand you're mad.
I'm gonna calm down.
I understand.
It's hurting my arm. Don't put it too tight.
It's not too tight.
Just leave it. Just pull it up there. I'm pulling it up. I don't want it on my wrist.
Calm down.
Come on, man.
I feel like both of them should go, not just one.
Come on. I always want to go to jail. And I don't even be doing no, man.
I have to come get you.
It's hurting me. This
Stop.
one. I am.
Stop moving around. It won't hurt.
Listen.
They are not.
If you cooperate with us, we're loosening for you. You gotta relax right now, all right? You gotta relax right now, all right? Come on.
You want to sit down?
Man, dang. I'm tired of this girl. Man, dang.
All right, come on. You gotta get up. Come on.
I'm tired of this girl.
Come on, you gotta get up. Come on.
I'm always the one going to jail.
Alicia, come on. Come on.
Dang. Yeah.
We're gonna sit you in the car. Are you gonna cooperate with us? Come on.
Calm down.
Stand up.
She gonna be okay. She good. She good. I'm going to jail, bro. I'm tired of going to jail, bro.
Put her on, get the
I'm tired of going to jail, bro.
You're gonna get arrested.
You're gonna get a resisting arrest. Come on, stop. You gonna get a resisting arrest? Get your ass in the car. They don't have to do all of that to you.
Roll her on her butt. Go get the sworn statement from the victim. You guys go back, start typing.
Okay.
If she starts coming combative, just take her straight up. Let me know you're going up.
Okay.
And then we'll deal with that one.
Can you call 215? You do.
Listen to me.
I'm tired of going to jail, bro.
Listen, you're about to get wrapped up like a taco. Stop. All you're doing is catching more charges. If you break my car, it's a felony.
I ain't even do shit.
Lean back.
I'm tired of going to
Lean back.
jail, bro.
Stop. Take a deep breath and stop. Sit down.